In this video, we will discuss how Uila helps you tackle a major data center problem, vCPU over-provisioning. There is an old saying, less is more. When it comes to computing power, no one could ever imagine that could be the case. But it still holds true today. One issue we see in today's virtual environment is CPU over-provisioning. While a specific server's CPU usage may not appear high, you also need to look at CPU ready to determine if you're actually hurting yourself by giving a VM more resources than it needs. CPU ready is a metric to measure the amount of time a VM has to wait for available cores when it has work to perform. Looking at my dashboard, I can see that I have several virtual machines that are showing a red condition as it pertains to CPU. So I will click on one and follow the red. I will click on the application that's causing the red condition. Once I open this, I see my root cause, which states that there is a 100% likelihood the CPU is the reason my application isn't performing well. If I click on the health circle, I get to dig a little deeper. Here I can instantly see that CPU ready is very high for this particular virtual machine. Also notice that the CPU usage is low for this server but very high for the host. This is exactly the scenario we are talking about. This means that the other virtual machines are utilizing the CPU, and so this virtual machine has to wait for CPU to become available in order to process its transaction. Now, as a system administrator, I could reduce the number of vCPUs on the server and see if that not only resolves the red but also increases the performance of my application. Please send an email to sme@uila.com to learn more on how Uila can be used to diagnose your compute issues.